Welcome to 2026, and I know your portfolios are doing well already. And if you care about growing your money intentionally this year, you don't want to follow the noise, you are in the right place. Last year on this channel, people get knowledge, they get discipline, they took actionable steps, and they watched their money grow. This year, we are not just going harder, we are going smarter. And here is exactly what you will gain by being on this channel this year. You're going to get practical guidance on investing in Nigerian markets with confidence. You're going to learn from bonds to stocks to treasury bills to mutual funds, different kinds of mutual funds ranging from money market fund to equity fund to balance fund. All of this you're going to learn. You're going to learn how to invest in commodities like gold and etc. You're going to learn how to earn rental income without owning a physical property. Yes, you can earn rental income without even owning a land. All of this you're going to learn this year, and you're going to have clear explanations on how to build a balanced portfolio. Now, when we talk about all these asset classes, must you invest in any one of them? You're going to find out. Should you invest in all of them? Are there some you have to invest in and ignore others? Or is there a particular investment that is tailored fit for who you are? You find out. If you have not subscribed already, you're wrong. Now, this is another one where people are getting confused already. So if you are confused about taxes, who should pay taxes, how to calculate your taxes, how to stay compliant without stress, we'll break it all down on this channel. Now, are you a business owner? Are you an entrepreneur? Registered or unregistered? Should you register as a business name or you should register as a limited liability company? What are the pros? What are the cons? Never mind, I've got your back this year. You will sure know what to do. Now, if you have questions already, I want you to begin to drop your questions in the comment section because I'm going to answer every question I find in the comment section. So this year, we're not just making money, we are managing our money and we are multiplying our money. I'll also be holding webinars where I'll have real-time conversations with you. We'll talk about your risk level, talk about discipline, talk about taking actions, talk about growing your money. So if you are yet to subscribe or you have not clicked on the notification bell, you will miss out. So whether you're just starting out, you're totally new to investments, or you've been in this game for a long time, this channel is going to help you make informed decisions. So whether your goal is income generation, capital appreciation, dividend, capital preservation, this channel is built to support your journey. See, 2026 is not the year to be passive about your finances. It's the year to be intentional, educated, strategic, and put structures in place. And that's exactly what we are going to be doing. So if that sounds like the kind of investor you want to be, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and let's build the right way together. So I'll see you in my next video where I'll be talking about the investment you can get started with in 2026. See you in my next video and stay blessed.